Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Today we will review a typical drink from Jabung village, Ponorogo. Keep following us. So this is a drink that is very famous even in other cities, namely Dap Jabung. So people who are tired to driving can stop by this place. This time we will visit the Dawat Jabung outlet Mbak Yuna. This outlet has been taken over by the third generation. All the ingredients are made by themselves without any preservatives, starting from the sugar syrup, kepol or rice balls, sticky rice, and cendol. One bowl of dawat jagung costs only 5,000 rupiah. Very affordable.
Jabung village is famous as the culinary center of Dawat Jabung, as many Jabung villagers are Dawat Jabung sellers in the area. The existence of Dawat Jabung is often linked by the local community to the legend of Warok Suromenggolo, who was the right-hand man of the founder and first regent of Ponorogo, Raden Batara Katong. The legend tells that Warok Suromenggolo lost a battle against the ruler of Mount Bloka, Jim Klenteng Mungil, due to the attack of the Aji Dawat Upas heirloom made of human eyes. The story goes that a cowherd named Ki Jabung came to Warok Suromenggolo's aid by pouring his homemade dawat on his burns until they healed. In the end, thanks to the help given by Ki Jabung, Warok Suromenggolo was able to defeat Jim Klenteng Mungil. As an expression of gratitude for feeling indebted to Ki Jabung, Warok Suromenggolo said that one day the villagers of Jabung would live prosperously by selling dawat.
Yunani ini sejak kapan berdirinya? Kalau diturun dari Mbah ya, 65 sudah mulai 1965 sudah mulai jualan. Tapi zaman dahulu caranya dijajakan dari rumah ke rumah. Itu Mbah Kong ya, sing napa niku sing memasarkan.
Named Dawat Jabung because it originated from the village of Jabung, sold from generation to generation until it became a cultural heritage in the form of food.
Kemudian Bu, untuk apa sih yang membedakan dawet Jabung dengan dawet lainnya niku napa? Kalau menurut saya pribadi ya, yang membedakan dengan yang lainnya ya, cendol kita. Kalau yang lain tepung kanji atau tepung beras yang hijau itu, kalau kita tepung aren. Tepung aren itu buahnya pohonnya kolang kaling yang sudah tua ya. Jadi kita tidak ada pewarna alami ini.
This typical dawat Jabung drink has a different way of serving with processed dawat in general. The seller will usually serve this typical dawat Jabung drink using a placement called a lepek. However, a buyer is not allowed to take the lepek used by the seller to serve dawat Jabung. This is often associated with the myth of tarik lepek attached to the typical dawat Jabung drink, where it is said that male buyers who take or pull the lepek given by the sellers are considered to have an interest or liking for the seller and intend to marry the seller. Conversely, if the seller deliberately releases the lepek, then she is considered willing to accept the invitation of the buyer who wants to marry her. However, the myth of full lepek dawat Jabung circulating in the community does not apply to everyone, because in reality, not all sellers are willing to be proposed to if a buyer pulls the lepek dawat either intentionally or unintentionally. So many people consider it a myth. However, it is true that in ancient times there was a real incident related to the myth of tarik lepek, namely the incident of Dawat Jabung buyer who took the seller's lepek, but the seller actually gave up her lepek. So, in the end, the buyer had to marry the seller. The story is then passed down from generation to generation, so it can be used as a story to attract customer.
Kemudian untuk dawetnya itu apakah membuat sendiri atau membeli? Kita bikin sendiri, mulai buat sendiri, itu bikin cendolnya, tape ketan hitam ya bikin sendiri, gorengan juga bikin sendiri.
Besides that, fried foods such as tempe, tofu, and pia-pia are also available, 1,000 rupiah each. Delicious, fresh, and cheap.
Kira-kira yang awal berjualan yang mana? Yang pendidikan di sini ya, dari Mbak dulu ya, itu 1965 itu di pojokan sana Mbak, di pojokan pos polisi ya perapatan ya itu turunnya ke Bude dulu, musim ini itu Bude,
Gulanya sedikit aja.
gulanya sedikit. Untuk resepnya turun temurun kah Bu? Atau sama? Kalau kita kebetulan turun temurun karena kita punya dari mbah niku nenek niku 1965 niku ada resepnya. Ini Bu sampai sekarang. Karena ada saksi hidupnya. Ibu kan ada masih alhamdulillah masih sehat.
From 1965, the grandmother was the one who started selling the es dawat and then passed it down to her descendants, to the current seller now. She is the third descendant who has maintained the es dawat business.
Untuk yang di daerah Jagung ini mulai dari kapan Bu rame berjualan? Rame mulai berjualan ya. Kayaknya udah mulai kayak gini ya, itu seiring dengan perkembangan zaman ya HP TikTok kayak gitu, video FB gitu. Itu mulai 2010 kurang lebihnya.
Even though it has been around for a long time, Dawat Jabung is known to the wider community or became more popular when social media started to be known to the public. Dawet Jabung sellers are not only one outlet, but dozens, lining the side of the main road in Jabung village.
Kamu, banyak sama saya. Kamu, banyak sama saya.